Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, how you doing, sir?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good. You doing a video if that's alright? Alright, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Ethen, right? And 2 ZB415s on the AL 6500.
6500? Okay. What are the specs of the enclosure?
I couldn't tell
You don't know? Have you metered it?
Not today, no.
Not today? Okay.
When I metered it last on an MD8K, on 2 ohms, I was only clamping 3K, so I did a 140, 146 at 24 hertz.
Okay. 24 hertz. Oh, so your tune really low. Okay.
My peak, I know the peak of this box is like 36.
Yeah. Okay. Are you happy with it?
So far, yeah.
So far? All right. Is that what you wanted? Was it more low end? Because that sounds really nice.
Before the show, I was doing 20 hertz.
Okay.
And I don't have enough voltage.
Yeah.
Amp hours to do that yet. So we got to retune it up.
Okay. How's your electrical alternator and battery power?
I'm on 98 amp hours of lithium, 270 ohm.
270? Okay. Awesome. I like the design here, man. This is different. Who built this?
Chris Krause from Raw Customs.
Chris? Raw Customs. Wow, nice work. So is this a new build this year that you finished up? Or?
No, it actually used to be his daughter's build.
Oh, it did? Okay.
But she had to sell it, so it's
okay.
only been like a few shows.
Yeah.
I kind of
like it.
pulled everything out.
So this is like a, is it a ported, a 6th order or a 4th order?
6th order.
6th order, okay. Wow. Nice. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Ethen.
Ethen. All right, Ethen. You have a good day, man.
You too.
I love to hear it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.